Good morning, everyone. I have another Old Pattern Woodsman Field knife here, but this one's a little bit different. This is the special edition model that I make. It has a few added features on it that doesn't come normally with the standard Old Pattern. As you can see, there's some file work jimping on the back spine there. See that? There we go. And it has a lanyard hole with the lanyard on it. Also has some carving on the right here behind the finger guard. That's all done by hand, all carved in. Just a little fancy touch there to make it a nicer looking knife. Anyway, this one, just as I mentioned in the previous video for this style knife, it's sort of a combination of the knifemaking style as well as the Kephart. It's got that long belly right here, and yet it still has a fine or a pointed end here, like the Kephart. The whole point here is that you see you can choke up very well on the handle, and that's for slicing and skinning game, detailed work like that. It also can be held just normally, of course, and has a very good grip for that. These are incredibly popular knives with with hunters, of course, and bushcraft guys. It's sort of a frontier pattern, reminiscent of the old butcher knives they used to use back in the old west for buffalo hunters, things like that. Anyway, very good knife, extremely popular. This one, of course, as always, my sheaths are double stitched with copper saddle makers rivets, and signed and dated on the back, along with being waterproofed. If you'd like to see more of my videos, please consider subscribing here to my YouTube channel. There'll be more to come here as well. If you'd like to go to my website at furnacebrookironworks.com, you can join my wait list, and what that'll do is notify you by email of any up and coming knives that I have, which is typically 2 or 3 times a month. Of course, you can custom order as well on my site. If you have any questions, of course, please contact me directly. My phone and email contacts are both on YouTube here and my website. All right, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.